Glacier lenses, everyone. If you spend a lot of time outside, on the road, or on the golf course, you've probably dealt with this one very specific issue that just wears your eyes out. That's exactly what Glacier was built for. Let's talk about what it is, what it's best used for, and why our amp version is the best amongst the rest. That sound good? Amongst the rest. The first thing you notice is the blue mirror. Clean, icy, works on sporty frames, works on lifestyle frames, but it's not just aesthetic. The mirror coating is doing real work on glare. Midday fishing, long highway drives, bright snow. Glacier is cutting down reflective light from all of those surfaces. Glacier is a category 3 lens, built for bright, direct sun with a lot of reflective surfaces around you, which is why it's great for out on the water. On the water, it handles glare, bouncing from every direction. Fishing, kayaking, out on the boat, that's where you feel the difference. On the golf course, it keeps greens and fairways looking natural without everything looking too dark to read. And for driving, it cuts down on pavements and windshields and stretches on the highway. Your eyes stop working overtime without you even realizing it. Snow is another one. Bright snow reflects aggressively from every angle. The category 3 mirror lens makes a real difference there. Now let's talk about VLT, or visible light transmission. This measures how much light gets through. Glacier comes in 3 different tiers, as most of our other lenses do. Standard, non-polarized at 8% VLT, Pro polarized at 10%, and Amp at 11%. All 3 are dialed in for bright outdoor use. The differences are subtle but matter depending on what you're doing. Amp, it's the best. Amp Glacier is where it gets interesting. It lets slightly more light through, but the real story is in the color enhancement, which is what we are known for. Better contrast, sharper detail, cleaner visual separation. It's not dramatic, it just makes your vision feel less effortful.
Is that a word?
Is that a real word? Once you've worn Amp for a full day outside, it's hard to go back. We're not biased at all. If you deal with serious glare outdoors, Glacier is probably worth it. Pro for solid polarization at a good price, and Amp if you want the best of the best. We appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and we'd be happy to answer them.